Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I'm doing a flip through today of my newest digital, Red Labels from Days Gone By. It is 36 pages. I uploaded it in my Etsy shop a few days ago. This goes along with the neutral, which is the original labels from Days Gone By, the blue, and then the green, and now we have red as you guys have requested. So this is the flip through. The blue and the green, you will have noticed a lot of the labels were similar to the original, just in different colors. With, of course, there was a few new ones with each of those colors, but for the most part, they stayed pretty consistent with the original. This one here, although I have lots from the original, I've introduced a lot of new ones as well, ones that I really, really like a lot. So hopefully you like them too. There are 8 pages of large labels and 8 pages of the same labels that are like medium, small, and some of them even tiny. If there was room to put it on the page, I put it there. So here we have page 1. These are wrong. Just a second, sorry. I was thinking those look really small. They are small. They're the small page for page 1. There we go. That's better. So page 1, really pretty. I made them in a lot of different colors of red, all kinds of different tones. This is one of my favorites. I love it so much. And that one, which is an original. Super pretty. They turned out fantastic. There's another one. These ones are new and they are amazing. And that one, love them so much. This one, yeah, really cool. So that was page 2. Here's page 3. Love these. New. Really pretty. Page 4. Look how perfect is that one for Christmas, red and green. I think this one is new. I really like that one a lot. Page 5. That's new. And of course, I'm not pointing to everyone that's new. There's others as well, but just ones that stand out to me. Page 6. Love that one. New. And that is new as well. And so is that one. I really like that one as well. Page 7. This is one of my favorites out of all of them. And that's a new one. That one, I believe that one's new. So is that one. Yeah, really pretty. So that's page 7. And there is page 8. Several new ones on here as well. Yeah, they just turned out so nice. And now we have the small. So this is page 1. And it is in a medium and then a small. And then my favorite labels, I fit in the white spaces in a tiny version. So that's page 1B. I labeled them page 1. 1B is the smaller version. 2B is the smaller version. So that's 1B. Here we have 2B. So once you print these out, you will have every size and shape that you might want for your project. So you don't have to do any resizing and fussing with that. Just print it out once and you'll be good for a long time. There's 3B. There is 4B. 5B. And of course, you know what numbers are next. There we go. And there we go, 8B. And that's it. So that is your 16 pages of red labels from Days Gone By. The link to them will be in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching.